43% of employed adults in the United States work remotely at least some of the time, and 63% of remote workers report having a better quality of life. With this being said, without the commute, remote workers have more time for personal activities and a better balance their personal life and their work life. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 15 highest paying remote jobs so you can get one too. Let's get into it. Number 1, we have a cloud architect. They're responsible for designing and building cloud computing systems for companies. They make anywhere between $140,000 to $250,000 a year. A cloud architect designs and builds the systems that store and manage data on the internet, making sure everything runs smoothly and securely. They choose the best tools and services to ensure that websites and apps can handle a lot of users at once without crashing. So the education requirements needed for a cloud architect would be a bachelor's degree. Most cloud architects start with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. They also get certifications. Certifications in specific cloud platforms such as AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and also Google Cloud can be very beneficial. These certifications show that you have specialized knowledge and skills in cloud computing. Number 2, we have DevOps Engineer. They ensure the smooth operation of software systems and infrastructure, and they make anywhere between $120,000 to $200,000 a year. A DevOps engineer helps the people who write the code for apps and websites work smoothly with the people who keep them running. They set up systems to test new updates automatically and make sure these updates are added without causing any problems. The education requirements for a DevOps engineer look like this. You're going to need a bachelor's degree. Most DevOps engineers start with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, and software engineering, or a related field. Earning certifications in areas like cloud computing, such as AWS, which again is Amazon Web Services, Azure, Google Cloud, and containerization such as Docker and Kubernetes, and DevOps tools such as Jenkins and Ansible. These can be very beneficial and demonstrate your expertise. As far as experience goes for a DevOps engineer, hands-on experience with software development, IT operations, familiarity with DevOps tools and practices is crucial. Many DevOps engineers have several years of experience in software development or in IT operations before moving into this role. Number 3, we have Solutions Architect. They design and implement software solutions for businesses, and they make anywhere between $110,000 a year to $190,000. A solutions architect designs the overall structure and plan for how different parts of a company's technology and systems will work together to solve a problem. They make sure everything fits together smoothly, like pieces of a puzzle, so the company's technology works efficiently and effectively. Education requirements for a solution architect would be a bachelor's degree. Most solutions architects starts with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, and software engineering or related field. Solution architects also earn certifications such as AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect, or other relevant industry certifications can be beneficial in this role as well. Hands-on experience in IT roles such as software development, systems administrations, or network engineering is crucial. Solutions architects usually have several years of experience in these areas before moving on to this role. Number 4, we have full stack developer. They develop the front end and back end code for web applications. They make anywhere between $100,000 to $180,000 a year. A full stack developer builds both the front end, which is what you see and interact with on a website or app, and the back end, behind the scenes systems that make everything work properly. They make sure the entire application from the user interface to the database runs smoothly and efficiently. The education requirements for a full stack developer would be a bachelor's degree. Most full-stack developers get a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, software engineering, or related field. Some full-stack developers actually may enter the field with boot camps and certifications. For full-stack developers, knowledge of programming languages such as front-end like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as back-end languages such as Python, Ruby, Java, and PHP would be greatly beneficial in this role. Number 5 is product manager. They oversee the development and launch of products, and they make anywhere between $90,000 to $160,000 a year. A product manager plans and oversees the development of a product, making sure it meets customer needs and business goals. They coordinate between different teams to ensure the project is delivered on time and successful. Educational requirements for a project manager could look like having a bachelor's degree in business, marketing, or computer science or a related field. You could also obtain a project management certification in a boot camp, as well as even earn your MBA. Number 6 is data scientists. They analyze complex data to inform business decisions, and they make anywhere between $80,000 to $160,000 a year. A data scientist analyzes large amounts of data to find patterns and insights that can help businesses make better decisions. They use statistics, programming, and machine learning to turn data into useful information. Data scientists should earn a bachelor's degree in computer science, statistics, mathematics, or related field. They can also earn certifications in data science, machine learning, and big data certifications. Number 7 is an artificial intelligence / machine learning engineer. They develop AI/ML models for various industries, and they make anywhere between $80,000 to $140,000 a year. These AI/ML engineers create and improve artificial intelligence systems like chatbots or recommendation algorithms. They use programming and data to teach machines how to solve problems to make decisions. These engineers should earn bachelor degrees in computer science, engineering, mathematics, or related field. They can also earn AI and machine learning certifications. Number 8 is Cybersecurity Consultant. They help companies protect themselves from cyber threats, and they make anywhere between $70,000 to $130,000 a year. Cybersecurity Consultant, they help protect a company's computer systems and data from hackers and cyber threats. They find weaknesses in security and suggest ways to fix them. They should earn a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. They can obtain certifications such as a CISSP, which stands for Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Or they can also earn their CEH, which is a Certified Ethical Hacker. Number 9 is a UX designer. They create user-centered design solutions for websites and apps, and they make anywhere between $65,000 to $125,000 a year. A UX designer creates the look and feel of websites and apps to make them easy and enjoyable to use. They focus on making sure users have a good experience with interacting with the product. UX designers should earn a bachelor's degree in computer design, human-computer interaction, psychology, or a related field. They can also attend UX design boot camps and also obtain UX design certifications. Number 10, we have software engineer. They develop software applications for various industries, and they make between $60,000 to $120,000 a year. A software engineer writes and tests the codes that make a computer programs and applications run on. They solve technical problems and create software that meets users' needs. Software engineers should earn a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. There are also various programming and software development certifications that can be helpful in this role. Number 11, we have network architects. They design and build computer networks for organizations, and they make anywhere between $60,000 to $110,000 a year. A network architect designs and builds the computer networks that allow devices to communicate with each other, like the internet or a company's internal network. They make sure the network is fast, reliable, and safe. Network architects should earn a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. They should also obtain their CCNP certification, which stands for Cisco Certified Network Professional. They can also obtain their CompTIA network certification as well. Number 12, we have IT manager. They oversee IT projects from start to finish, and they make anywhere between $55,000 to $105,000 a year. IT project manager plans and oversees technology projects, as well as ensuring they are completed on time and within a budget. They coordinate between different teams and manage resources to meet project goals. They should obtain a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or business. They can also obtain certifications such as PMP, which stands for Project Management Professional certification. Number 13, we have database administrator. They manage and maintain databases for companies, and they make between $50,000 to $100,000 per year. A database administrator manages and maintains a company's databases, ensuring that the data is stored securely and can be accessed daily. They also handle backups and troubleshoot any database issues. They should obtain a bachelor's degree in computer science or information technologies. As far as certifications, they should obtain an Oracle Certified Professional certification, or as well as a Microsoft SQL certification. Number 14, we have Quality Assurance Engineer. They test software applications to ensure quality and functionality, They make anywhere between $45,000 to $90,000 a year. A quality assurance engineer tests software to find and fix bugs before it's released. They make sure the software works correctly and meets quality standards. Last but not least, number 15 is a technical writer. They create user documentation and technical guides for companies. They make anywhere between $40,000 to $80,000 a year. A technical writer creates manuals, documents, and other guides that explain how to use technology products. They also make complex information easy to understand for users. They should obtain a bachelor's degree in English, communications, and journalism or related fields. They can also take technical writing courses, which can be beneficial to their job. Keep in mind that these salaries can vary widely depending on factors such as location, experience, industry, and company size. Additionally, these figures are based on national averages in the United States and may differ in other countries. Remember that while salary is an important consideration, it shouldn't be your only factor in considering a remote job. Other factors such as work-life balance, job satisfaction, growth opportunities are also essential to consider. With that being said, if you received any value from this video, hit the like button as well as hit the subscribe and notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. This is Victor Barron, and we'll see you guys in the next one.